Just hold it, however. Okay.
Okay, what are we doing?
I'm JakeOfALL.
And I'm PACKOUT Princess.
And she is on a war, for now. She's on a warpath.
I am.
Have you seen this? Have you seen this? We're going to talk about an elephant in the room. Wait, I shouldn't say anything about elephant because then you'll get mad again. Okay. Milwaukee Tool has an answer. Milwaukee Tool has an answer.
For what?
Huh, for this.
That was a little slow.
Right? You guys have seen this. Electron Smith designed it, which was basically replicating the peg system that the Shockwave uses, right? To get these cool little hinges out like the Shockwave.
Okay.
Now, I will say, what is the number one people complain about the Shockwave bit holders?
I don't know what.
Pulling the bits out.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
Especially if you have a set of those red helix or any of the sharp spiral bits. A bit like this, and it's in the thing, and you where do you grab onto it, right?
You don't be a baby back bitch and just grab onto the pointy part.
Yeah, so this is for 7/16, okay? Here is a 3D printed for paddle bits, spades, 3D printed for jigsaw, 5/30 seconds,
That almost looks purple.
right? Okay, tons of options. Dennis adapted it, and he made it work for the center. So these Shockwave bit holders, there's a lot of these options out there. So Milwaukee finally, after, flip knife, how many years?
Oh, well, of course, after everybody else designed it first.
See that one?
Well, maybe I want to cut it open.
Milwaukee finally came out with, oh, I can't show them this one yet
Why?
because you're gonna get mad at me.
Why?
Grab that one and show it to the camera.
This one?
Does it look, I
are they the
bought them
same?
both.
Let me see.
I never opened that one.
Whatever. It's not like you don't need more than one. You won't use more than one.
Okay, so they have these new cases, and the best feature about this case that I do like.
Okay, hold on. I'm having problems. The plastic.
Oh, I can
I
do
like
this.
how they're like cute. I wish they would like. Can I steal these and put like my makeup in them? How cute would that be?
Okay. Give me your liner.
There you go.
Okay.
Like you could put little palettes in here.
Do you see the advantage of these yet? You don't. No, you don't.
They don't rock.
They don't rock. You just grab the bit and you lift it out. Look at how easy that comes out now.
Let me see.
So they changed it.
Let a girl do it. Okay, those are easy.
But do you see what's different about it though?
Well, it's not all the way closed.
Look at the width. So they are not compatible.
Well, that's
So they totally screwed us. So we're gonna stop selling these.
we are?
No, we're not.
Oh.
Because we think you guys love them. I mean, look, watch.
Who doesn't love them?
Here's one. Boom.
Oh, that's how you get it in.
Hey, Lincoln. Lincoln's here.
Hi, Lincoln.
What's going on, Lincoln?
Lincoln, you want to come say hi? He's been mowing lawn
With the Milwaukee mower.
with the new Milwaukee mower. Say hi to the people. You gotta come over on this side here.
Hello.
What's wrong with the
Did
mower?
the battery run out?
You know we have
Okay.
2 more.
Yeah.
Do you
Okay.
want
He's gotta finish mowing. Don't you?
Mm-hmm.
But luckily it's not super. Okay, bye bye.
them? Okay, so you saw it, right? Milwaukee changed it to where now finally the bits
they kinda
lift
just
out.
lift. Yeah. Okay, I see. It's like super easy to get them in and out. I dig that.
Did you know the Ryobi bit holders fit in these?
That's like blasphemy.
Milwaukee is.
But I like these little pieces.
Okay, so here, watch. They do this. No, they don't. They don't even nest on each other.
Well, can you put these anywhere?
A little bit. Yeah, so that's their answer, right? You want to see what they do now?
Well, yeah, let me see.
Okay.
Okay, what are we
Here's the
doing?
pack out.
Okay, got the pack out.
I'm going to take the bin out.
Okay, take the bin out.
I'm going to take this one and put it in here.
No.
Yes.
I don't know. Okay, I might kind of like that, but I feel like they stole.
I feel like they could have come up with a lot better being a
I
guy.
feel like they're like the flex.
The Milwaukee is their own flex tools. So can you guys see this on camera
I
pretty
like
well?
That looks that works.
So here's my first complaint. I'll put it in here.
Okay, but look, you have to take the lid off to get into it.
Thank you. That's what I was going to
okay.
say. So now you put, what is it? Yeah.
Wait, can you just rip the lid off though?
I guess you could leave the lid off, take the pin out, but then it will rattle. The spacing, if you look,
Yeah, it's not as high as. the
it's
old
not
one.
as tall.
Yeah.
It's the exact amount minus a hair for this
So you're saying if you took this plastic piece off that it would bounce?
It will rattle. But now I'll put it in here. I'll put it in and you can play with it. Now, which granted we have a bunch of bits in it, it is right there at the lid.
I want to know,
But-
wait a minute, so I got a question.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know how, and you can delete this part if I'm misspeaking. So do these, will these melt in the sun like?
No.
Some
No.
other
So
thing?
Milwaukee and a lot of big companies have the access to really expensive tooling. And when they print these cases, they don't print them. They're injection molded with a plastic that's at the 800s or 1,000 degrees, whereas our plastics are like 200 degrees. And they're a lot better than what they were when we first
Can you
started.
put two next to each other?
Yes. So you can do this. It does look good in a sense, but what also is different here? How many rows do we have?
Well, there's two here. There's two. There's a lower one and a
Right.
taller one.
So in some of our elaborate bins, we have
Yeah.
2 different heights,
Yeah.
and this only has 1 height.
Yeah.
So you are going to space out your bits a lot more in this setup than you
Yeah.
will in our setup.
Yeah.
I think Milwaukee did this more because of the lift out though. I don't think they did this because they wanted to come up.
We got another kid. Yes, kid. Nope. Kid's going bye-bye.
Okay. So I do think Milwaukee could have done better, but I am going to give it to them that they definitely did this
Yeah,
because
that works
that
well.
removal is so much easier. And honestly, our 3D printed stuff pulls out easier than their stuff. Did you hear I just made a pull out joke?
Ha, ha, ha.
Okay, in, out, right, in, out.
Yeah.
And with this,
Okay.
you could get 2 rows of these. We've done these. We sell a lot of these.
Yeah.
And one hinges from this side, one hinges from this side. In
Yeah.
the Milwaukee kit, that's all you fit.
Yeah, you can only get one.
I mean, you can look at
Well, like this only has one, but like in ours, you can fit 2.
Right.
Okay, I guess it's like 1 and a little, but
And they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
it's interesting
1, 2,
how
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. It's the same number.
Okay.
They don't fit. Okay, so whatever Milwaukee did spacing wise, and we're back. Okay, so it's interesting. They're getting the same number of bits width wise, but it is different. Look, she's all loosey goosey.
Nobody likes loosey goosey.
But, oh yeah, and you can, there's another trick
Look,
to
they
this.
labeled them.
Yeah, I guess so you can get them in the same spot. Do you want to know another trick?
Yeah, what's another trick?
Okay. You entertain the camera.
Okay. Wait, why are there letters on the side of this? I want to know that. Why would there be letters? Does anybody know why there's letters on the inside of this? I'm curious. Is it so you can like label it? Does this one have letters on it too?
Look at what happens if you take the screw out.
Okay.
If you take the screw out of 2 of these holes, there are little standoffs. Take the bit out. If you take the bit out, and then guess what you can do?
Is that really what they made it for?
I don't know, but people have done it and it works. You just need to get your screw from your clamp, pull it out, put it in here, and now you can have an 8-piece bit holder on the side.
Huh. They just need to buy ours, not theirs.
Ours are cooler, and we don't have problems with those warping. So you put the bit in and you push it down. That is much easier. If this is a good design, it's probably going to have less fatigue. I don't mind it. So I think they did the spacing so that people could go,
But it's only on one side.
oh. Okay, comment below.
That's what I said. I want to know why there's letters on the side.
So is that a clue? Do we want to use that as a clue?
A clue for what? Oh, yes.
Do we
you
want
can.
to? Okay, so one last thing I just want to try while we're on here,
Okay.
and then she's good.
My back hurts. I gotta leave.
Can we put these in here? So it fits.
Okay, now can you close the lid?
You can, but there is a huge gap.
Yeah.
So to get the same density
Yeah.
with Milwaukee, you have to use a standard profile PACKOUT and not the low profile.
Right.
I don't know.
I don't know. They're cute. I like them, but
I mean,
I think they're
realistically,
also ripping off.
I bought this to show you guys, but I did need this kit because Apparently, according to the internet, the reason why people are having problems with blowouts in their Tapcons is because the bits are drilling the holes too big. Even though it says use this size bit, that bit is slightly undersized on a Tapcon set, so they grab better. So I bought that to do a video. Plus, I live in a concrete house, and I wanted to see how much better these are. And I bought the second one to show you guys.
Okay, so what do we do have something to give away, because we love to give away stuff.
You're gonna give away the extras that I have?
No, I'm gonna give away this.
That is the extra.
Oh, sure, then, yes. We're gonna give away this bad boy. And how are we gonna give it away?
Do we most real or creative reason what the numbers are for? Or no?
I want to know what creative. I like creative. I like when people think of things on their own.
Oh, you just like it because everyone suggested you use the door band as a bondage strap.
Well, that wasn't a bad idea. My tattoo bitches. Okay, so most creative, comment on what the letters on the side of my eye switching.
And they gotta follow us.
Yeah, and they have to follow us and hit the subscribe.
And use this as a point for you to hit the notification. Subscribe and tell your friends.
That's right.
But yeah, I'd like to know what you guys think about these. Do you think it's a win? Do you think it's a...
I mean, I think it's a good idea. I think that they are...
Don't you think they could have made this more pack out?
Yeah. Yes.
So obviously Milwaukee doesn't want to sell one thing. Or sorry, two different items, two different SKUs. They don't want to have one of these that people carry because a lot of people just put these in their toolboxes.
Right.
And if it was just a tray, people wouldn't know what to do.
Right.
Right? So they're making it universal, but do you guys think the universal idea is a good idea?
Okay.
They are meant to fit on each other. I can actually see that. Okay? So you can stack these up. You cannot fit three. You cannot fit three in the standard profile.
No.
Okay? But you can fit one in the low profile, and they fit 3 in a row. So you can put 6 sets of these in here, but you are going to open each one up. So on that note, we've worn it out. It's
Okay.
pack out time.
It is pack out.
But let me know what you think. If you want to win, please her. But comment below what you think about these if you think this is a good idea.
And this is what you'll be winning.
Apparently she's stealing the show. See you
And
guys. Bye.
bye.
You gonna pack out?